In today's video, we are going to show you how we took these alloys from this to this, thanks to powder coating. To begin, we are going to take the wheel off the car and remove the tyre from the alloy. Once the tyre has been removed, we will put the wheel in the cold acid for around 5 to 6 hours. This will get rid of the old finish so we can begin smoothing down the alloy. We will begin the smoothing process by dual actioning the alloy. Then we will put it in the shot blaster. This ensures that the alloy is smooth around every edge, ready for the powder coating process to begin. The alloy will then be put into the oven and baked, ready for the powder coating to begin. Baking the alloy will apply a negative charge to the alloy, and when we apply positively charged powder to the alloys, it will stick to it and set. We will bake it again and then apply a powdered lacquer to the alloys and bake it one final time so it sets, giving it a gorgeous gloss finish. It will then be taken to cool off and then quality inspected. Once it is then cooled off, we will then reapply the tyre and rebalance the wheel, ready to put on the car. So here are the alloys before the refurbishment. And here are the refurbished alloys. They turned out great and look absolutely amazing on the car. Not to mention that this customer will get lifetime warranty on these alloys. If your alloys look similar to the ones at the start of this video, then check the link in the description below and get in touch with us. Thank you for watching, and until the next video, goodbye.